Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session we will learn about creation of sampling lines and section views. I hope you have gone through all the study materials and now you have no theoretical queries. So let's start with this supporting file. You can find this file along with this video tutorial. Under Profile and Section Views, we have the Sample Lines option. It will ask to select an alignment. We can select the alignment from here, or we can simply press the Enter key if we have multiple alignments. So let's select this axis 1. Now we are here with these options. Here we can explore a couple of more options, or we can simply go here, select this, then we can choose the section marks, section name, and other options. We will go with section names only. For the layers, we will use the suffix _static. Now for this axis 1, we are in natural terrain, style is existing ground. We can update module to dynamic or static. Let's go with dynamic. Here we can give a specific point. We can also give the range. So instead of a station, we can give it by range. Here the width is 20 meter on the both sides. It's perfect for now. We can adjust it. We can make it 10 as well. But let's go with 20 for now. Let's make this at the range start and at the range end true so that we get some sample controls. Now all we need to do is press the enter key from the keyboard and we will get the sample lines at equal intervals. You can see the sample lines equally spread all along the alignment. You can see the differences of 20 units. Now let's select one line. Here you can see we have some controls. For instance, we can click this arrow and move towards left or right. Or we can click this block and then we can move towards any side. Similarly, we have a control point in the middle as well. So we can move it in either directions like this. Here we can edit a sample line. Currently it is empty. All we need to do is select one and we will get all the details here. We can easily edit. If we go to the group properties, we will get the access to complete range. You can see the entire range is here. Once we have explored these options, let's move forward. Under the section views, we can use the create section view. Now we will get this dialog box in front of us. We can select the alignment. We already have this axis 1 as the alignment and the axis sampling line 1 is our sample line group name. Now we can select any line. For instance, we select this 0 plus 060. Same would be selected for the station. Now we can give the section view a specific name. Here, let's give the name as section view 0 plus 060 meters. We can create a new layer like this, or we can simply add the modifier of suffix, which is underscore static. Here we can choose the road section or the other one. For the offset range, we can go with automatic. Currently, it is 20 meter on both sides. Then for the elevation range, let's go with automatic. It's 270 to 320 meters. Then the section display options. Here we have the natural terrain. It is currently on. We can set the labels as EG for now, which is for the existing ground. Then we have the data bands. Let's go with by default settings for now. Now we can click on create section view. We have successfully created the section view at 0 plus 060 meters. So this is the line. Here's the grid. In horizontal we have 0, 10, 20, and vertically we have these values. If we select this blue box, we can access the section properties or the group properties. Same can be accessed by right-clicking and then entering here. Under the Information tab, we can change the name. Then we have the option for the graph. We can adjust the vertical exaggeration. Then under Grid, we can see if we want to clip the vertical or horizontal grid. So this is the effect that we get if we uncheck or check these boxes. Under Title Annotation, we can select the text style and the text height for the title, its location, its justification, and its offset from X and Y direction. Similarly, the axis title text from the top, left, bottom, and right can be adjusted, whether we want elevation or something else. For the horizontal axis, we can have the detail-oriented parameters for the major ticks and minor ticks. Same goes for the vertical ones, either they are on the left, right, or center. Under display, we choose what we want to show and what we want to hide. We haven't done any changes, so we can cancel it for now. And now we are back to where we started from. Under the section properties, we can select this one. Then we can give it a specific name. We can edit and give a specific name or color to this line. For instance, we are not interested in a white line, but we want a red one. So let's change it as red. We can adjust the line weight as well and the line scale as well. Let's hit apply. And once we press OK, you can see now this line is turned to red. In this way, we have successfully created our one section view. Later on, we will see how we can create multiple section views. Let's save the file as lecture number 43 as we were doing all these changes in the supporting file. Once it is done, we can simply close Civil 3D software and here we will call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.